Hello everybody, welcome to a new tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you Hare Krishna. So Sophie from Germany, I want to thank you so much for requesting this beautiful mantra, Hare Krishna. I'm going to teach you all how to play it in down strum and in a picking pattern. But first we're going to look at the chords that we use for Hare Krishna. For this mantra you need 3 chords. It's the C, it's the G, and the F. And that's it. So first I'm going to play it in down strum, and I will do it really slow so that you also can follow what I'm doing. And if you want, you can play with me. So this mantra, we start in C. Okay, I count down till 4 and then I do an intro on 4 downbeats. So first I start with a down strum. 1, 2, 3, 4. Intro, 4 down strums. Hare Krishna on G, Hare Krishna on C, Krishna Krishna on G, Hare Hare on C, Hare Rama on G, Hare Rama on C, Rama Rama on G, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna on G, stay in G. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, still G. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare on C. Then you go up with your voice in the 3rd line. Here we go. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, to F. Na, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare on C. Stay on C. Hare Rama, Hare Rama on F. Rama Rama on G. Hare Hare. So the picking pattern. I hope the down strum went well. Let's look now at the following part. So the picking pattern that I'm using for Hare Krishna, I will show you on chord C, is the 4, 2, 3, 1. And the string 4 is the upper string, the G string, and string 1 is the lowest string, is the A string. So it's then 4, 2, 3, 1. 4, 2, 3, 1. In the mantra, the speed is a little bit different. You get like 4, 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 1. But now I'm going to play a little bit more slow. And after this clip, I'm going to show you the original speed in down strum and picking pattern, so you can listen and hear it and know after this practical part how you can play it. But it's up to you. You can also follow your own speed. You know, there's no rule like this mantra needs to go this quick or this slow. Just follow what feels good for you. But this is just the way how I learned it. So I'm going to count down 4 beats, and I skip the intro here and I immediately start with the Hare Krishna mantra. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hare Krishna on G, Hare Krishna on C, Krishna Krishna on G, Hare Hare on C, Hare Rama on G, Hare Rama on C, Rama Rama on G, Hare Hare on C, Hare Krishna on G, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, stay on G, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. You can end here, or you can just repeat part 1 again, and then you can end there. Then you play now the following one. Hare Krishna Unji, Hare Krishna Unsi, Krishna Krishna Unji, Hare Hare Unsi, Hare Rama Unji, Hare Rama Unsi, Rama Rama Unji, Hare Hare Unsi. I hope you like this one, and enjoy the next clip where I'm going to show you again down strum and picking pattern. So the down strum. 4 beats for the intro. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So, namaste. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope you loved the Hare Krishna. Mitzi did, because he was relaxing all the time and still licking my hands in namaste. And he and I want to say thank you, because we saw that we have over 1,000 subscribers to the channel. So thank you so much for shining your light all over the world with these mantras.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
I'll see you next time. And for now, we want to say bye-bye. Ciao, ciao, everybody.